Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the list of schools in Tamil Nadu and the direct website details. So this is specific to Tamil Nadu, but you can see the list of schools of any state, and I'm going to talk about the number of schools in Tamil Nadu, the number of schools in Chennai, and total number of seats for class 1 admissions per year, and the school's direct website details when you want to take admissions from 2nd to ninth. So let's go to the video and see the details. Go to the Google search. You search for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, which is the head office for Kendriya Vidyalaya schools in India. So it's in Delhi. So you have to select this. When you search for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, you get this kvssangathan.nic.in. So you have to select this link and you land in this page. From here, you have to go to the directories and select regions and zonal offices list. So once you click here, so you have the list of regional offices of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Every state has its own regional offices, so which controls the school under the state. So they have categorized under the state capitals most properly. So you can see all the list of Kendriya Vidyalayas here. So whatever state you want, you can go to specific place and title here. So Ahmedabad, Bangalore, or Bhopal. So whichever city name is listed, you have to click that. So we are going to specifically see about schools in Tamil Nadu, but you can also see all these schools around India. So this Mumbai, if you see this list the schools of Kendriya Vidya schools in Maharashtra. So likewise, you can check all these schools details from this link. So let me go to the website for regional office, which is in Chennai for Tamil Nadu. So we have total 49 schools and this many students here. So whatever related announcements will be scrolling here. So if you want to check any circulars and important announcements, you can click this page, or you can just click on view all to see all the announcements here. So from here we are going to navigate to the list of schools. So go to the directory and link of KVs. So here you have link of KVs of all the schools available in Tamil Nadu. So if you have any specific questions, like if you want to know that is there any schools nearby my area, so go to this list. So this list has 49 schools with the website link. So in case you want to know any address of the schools, just copy this and go to Google search. So I'll go to Google search and I'll mention here address, address address. So once I click here, so you get the complete address of the school. So this is how you are going to search about the schools. So again, here also you'll get all the details like links in Chennai. So once you click on the specific link, so if you want to take admissions from any of the schools from 2nd to 9th, so class 1 is a generic admissions which is conducted by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan throughout the country. So you have to log into the online portal and submit the application for class 1 admissions. But other from 2nd to 9th, you have to visit the individual Kendriya Vidya sites. So here I'll select the Avadi for example. So here in the announcement sections, they will be mentioning about the available seats from 2nd to 9. So if the seats is available, you will be asked to fill a form online, and based once the form is submitted, there will be like a lucky draw lottery system. From there you will be selected and notified if you're eligible for the admissions. So this is the summary of all the details. So this is the main link to check the list of schools in Chennai, which is the list of schools in Tamil Nadu state as a whole, which is with the regional office in Chennai, which is in IIT campus. So there are total 49 schools in Tamil Nadu. So for class 1 admissions, if you see, there will be average 4 sections per class, so ABCD. So with up to 40 seats per section. So in the guidelines section also you can see. So there is a guidelines published by Kendriya Vidyalaya. So maybe I can go to that. Where is the guidelines? Yeah, this is the guidelines section. So here I go to the guidelines and select the guidelines section here, Kendriya Vidyalaya guidelines here. So here if I go, there will be like mention about the number of seats. So up to 40 seats, up to 45 seats. So there are like different conditions where you get extra seats, and there is also special provisions where the number of seats per class goes up to 50 seats. So what are the special provisions? You can check in this guidelines sheet, guidelines document. What are the special provisions here? I'll go back to this section here. So total, if you see 140 seats per year per class 1, so if you multiply that with number of schools, you have 7,846 per year in Kendriya Vidyalaya schools in Tamil Nadu. So total schools in Chennai, we have 14 schools in Chennai specifically, and you have option to get 2,240 seats in Chennai. So scenario view, as I said, there is a special guidelines for, and again the additional seats beyond 40 needs approval from the regional commissioner. So once the regional commissioner approves, you get additional seats there. So even if you see for the additional seats, you have the options of 8,820 seats per year in Tamil Nadu. So this is the details of how to check the list of schools in any state. Specifically, I was talking about Tamil Nadu. So in case you have any doubts about this, identifying the list of schools in your state, please mention in the comments. So I'll be happy to answer any questions. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates on KV school related admissions. So the admissions for the year 21-22 has not yet started. So once it is started, you will come to know. So this details will be published in the guidelines section. So once you go to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan websites, you have to go to academics and select admissions guidelines. So once the admission dates are announced, you get the link here. So the PDF file will be published here with the date 2021-22. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye. See you.